Welcome to our kindergarten flag salute.
We are having fun learning all about the ocean.
Did you know that the sun makes the ocean turn blue?
Ocean, ocean, big and blue. Ocean, ocean, how do you do? Ocean, ocean, what do you see? Ocean, ocean, you're looking at me.
We are reading lots of books about the ocean animals. Did you know that when an octopus loses an arm, it can grow back?
Wow!
An octopus can also squeeze itself into a jar of peanut butter.